The two men accused of the murder of media personality Warrick, DJ Warras stock, are expected at the Johannesburg High Court. This is for a pre-trial hearing. The alleged shooter, Armindo Pacula, and the alleged orchestrator of the killing, Victor Majola, face charges of premeditated murder and conspiracy to commit murder. Stock was shot and killed outside the Zambesi building in the Johannesburg CBD in December of 2025. SABC News reporter Chriselda Lewis is in Johannesburg for us and joins us live with the very latest. A very good morning to you, Chriselda. So today has been set for a pre-trial hearing, but for the benefit of those who might not have been following the case consistently, perhaps remind us of the facts around this case.
Well, good morning to you, Mfundo. Indeed, as you indicated, we're expecting the conclusion of the pre-trial conference this morning and the setting of a date for the actual trial. And the state, you would recall, had indicated previously that it had concluded investigations into the popular DJ's assassination, of course, as you indicated, in 2025. This would include the downloading of both of the accused's cell phones for call data, financial information, facial comparisons, as well as the drafting of the indictment. So the accused, alleged shooter Armindo Pacula, is represented by legal aid, and the alleged orchestrator of Warras's killing, Victor Majola, is represented by private lawyers. So we're likely to hear at this pre-trial conference, Mfundo, where DJ Warras's alleged shooter, whether Armindo Pacula will still be pleading guilty. You would recall that Pacula previously indicated through his lawyers that he wanted to plead guilty. He's since been detained at the Majola prison for safety concerns relating to that. I also understand that, in the run-up to this pre-trial conference, investigators have again seen the mother of the late popular DJ to gather more information. So what is likely to happen today is the setting of the date for this trial, and very importantly, in this last day of the pre-trial conference, whether Armindo Pacula will still be pleading guilty, as we've heard, when the matter was still in the lower court, in the Johannesburg Magistrates Court. So with the investigations that are now complete, Fundo, you would expect then that this trial date will be set, a few days will be set aside for it, and then that's when the trial itself will resume.